Today, we're going to learn how to create multilingual Outgrow experiences while ensuring your content is GDPR compliant. Let's get started. Begin by logging into your Outgrow dashboard and opening the content piece you'd like to edit. First, let's configure language localization. Navigate to the Configure tab, then open General and SEO settings, and scroll down to the Localization section. Here you can select the language for your experience from the Localization dropdown. Outgrow currently supports different languages, making it easy to create experiences for audiences around the world. You can also choose the number system that matches your audience's regional preferences. If you're creating content in right-to-left languages like Arabic or Hebrew, simply enable the right-to-left formatting option to automatically align your content correctly. With just a few settings, your interactive experience is ready for a global audience. Now let's make sure your content is GDPR compliant. Click on your profile name in the top right corner and select Billing and Settings. Next, navigate to Data Protection and open the GDPR section. Enable the GDPR toggle. Once enabled, Outgrow automatically adds several privacy features across your account. First, visitors will see a cookie consent notification on all your live content. Traffic-related information is only collected after the visitor accepts the cookie policy. If you'd like to customize the cookie notification message, return to your content and open the Configure tab. Then navigate to the Cookie Notification section, where you can edit the text displayed to your visitors. Next, Outgrow automatically adds a mandatory consent checkbox to your lead generation form. To customize this consent message, open the Build tab. Then navigate to the lead generation form section and scroll down to the consent checkbox field. You can edit the consent text to match your organization's privacy requirements. Keep in mind that even if your content doesn't currently use a lead generation form, the cookie notification will still appear when GDPR is enabled. If you have older content created before enabling GDPR, be sure to manually add a consent checkbox by opening the lead generation form, selecting Add field, choosing Others, and adding a checkbox field. By combining language localization with built-in GDPR features, you can create interactive experiences that are accessible to global audiences while respecting user privacy. And that's how you can configure multilingual Outgrow experiences and enable GDPR compliance for your content. Ready to create engaging experiences for audiences worldwide? Use Outgrow's localization and GDPR settings to build interactive content that's both globally accessible and privacy compliant.